15:45 London St Pancras to Sheffield, 7 late at Breadstall, just south of Duffield. Matlock Nottingham service just left Duffield. Coming the other way, 170 on the opposite running service. This was on time at St Mary's North Junction, but lost 4 minutes having to wait for a Meridian that was 7 late. Plymouth Edinburgh service, currently on time. (18:30) Sheffield London St Pancras to Pancras at 21:26. This is Duffield on the Midland Main Line stroke cross-country route. It's about 4 minutes by high-speed train north of Derby. Typical hour here, it's a Saturday night, so it's different for you now, but weekday nights and that, or days, you'll probably get 2 Meridians each way on Pancras, Sheffields, and a couple of cross-country service voyages and super voyages, a couple each road, and they'll run anywhere from Penzance to Aberdeen. You'll also get 158s and class 170s on Matlock to Newark services, anywhere between Matlock and Newark, and now one each way. Thing is now though, you don't get a lot of freight because most of it runs by the Erewash Valley. Just the other side of the bridge, about a quarter mile from here is Duffield Station. 15:05 Edinburgh Plymouth, due Plymouth 23:47. 16:45 London St Pancras to Sheffield, due Sheffield at 2000 hours. 18:54 Nottingham to Matlock, due Matlock 20:06. Just waiting for Duffield. These cause a problem on this line, especially if the high-speed trains are out of sync. 110 mile an hour both roads, and they're limited to 100, which you can actually do on this line, south anyway. 19:13 Matlock Nottingham service. (1920) Sheffield to London St Pancras, 7 late at Belper. Sheffield to Etches Park Derby, empty stock working. (17:45 Reading Newcastle.